Hallo, ich bin Nikita and I welcome you all to my channel Sprich mal Deutsch. So in this lesson we will be learning Grüße und Nettigkeiten, which means greetings and expressions. So in this video you will come across the greetings and expressions in German followed by some dialogues in English. Guten Tag, Herr Baker. Guten Tag is a greeting that one can use at any point of the day. It means have a good day. One can also use grüß Sie or one can also say grüß dich. Grüß Sie is a greeting which is used when one is having a formal conversation, whereas grüß dich is used when a person is having a friendly conversation. When the sun rises up, you wake up from your bed and the birds are already chirping. One always wish, Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. The sun is going down, the moon is coming up. I'm filling some empty space in my stomach. Time to have some snack, eat some soup and drink some wine. Yes, it's family time. Guten Abend, everyone. Guten Abend means good evening. I'm feeling so tired. Such a busy day since morning. I'm going to sleep now. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht in English is good night. Hilfe, Hilfe Sabina, take my bag. Hello Granny, come, my car is parked there. Danke Sabina. Hilfe means help and Danke means thank you. Gratulation. Vielen Dank. Gratulation means congratulations. Vielen Dank is thank you so much. Dear God, bitte save us all from the curse of Corona. Bitte in English is please. Come on, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot it was your birthday. Tut mir leid. Tut mir leid in English means I'm sorry. Auf Wiedersehen, Papa. Auf Wiedersehen, Son. Auf Wiedersehen means till I see you again. The word Wiedersehen comprises of two words, wieder and sehen. Wieder is again, while sehen is to see. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel Sprich mal Deutsch, and in the comment section do mention how do you say hello and goodbye in your mother tongue. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, tschüss and bis bald.